Welcome to one of our latest smart homes. In this video, I'm going to show you this incredibly gorgeous house and show you how Audio Advice was able to seamlessly integrate a whole host of smart home essentials to make this house extremely functional yet convenient. Let's get started. You can see just how beautiful this entire home is. Every single thing was meticulously thought through, from placing the outlets to the TVs to where the lights are, to make it extremely convenient and comfortable for the homeowners. However, there's so much more to this house than meets the eye. We've seamlessly integrated a whole host of smart home essentials that are sort of behind the scenes that work together to make this home so comfortable and easy to live in. Our goal at Audio Advice is to work with clients to make sure all of these custom commands work perfectly together to automate nearly every aspect of your home and your life. And everything works harmoniously by just pressing one button. So let's start right here in the living room, and I want to talk about the lighting. As you can see, we put each light in a specific location to have even coverage of light throughout the entire living room. And these aren't just your standard lights. They're actually DMF lights, which have a really high color rendering index to make everything look vibrant and really true to life. They are also all 3000 Kelvin, exactly perfectly color matched. So everything looks super even in this room, and it's just a gorgeous look and feel. You can control all of these with the Control4 app on your phone, on an iPad, or remote, or if you follow me over here, we can also use the keypad on the wall. Now, you can select different scenes. You can have scenes to dim lights. Maybe you're watching a movie with your family at night, or you can set a clean button to have them all turn full brightness so you can clean under the couch, and you can really have them do anything you want and automate them fully. Now, in addition, one of the cool things I love about DMF is they have this adjustable module that you can actually change the angle and the spread and aim it at your artwork or anywhere else on your walls. So you can see here we have it aimed at this artwork, and it really makes all the colors pop and look super vibrant, especially because it has that super high color rendering index. And also, if you follow me back here down this hallway, we've included DMF all the way back here in this amazing looking wine cellar area to really showcase all of the bottles of wine. And even over here in the butler's pantry, there's also DMF angled down at all the different areas that you need to work on, and everything again is the same exact Kelvin color temperature, and it looks beautiful. And what's really cool is that all of these lights can be controlled right from your phone on the Control4 app, on the keypad on the wall, an iPad, or a remote. And say you're going on vacation for security purposes, you could even have these lights mimic as if you're home by turning on and off in different rooms, and it really will give you peace of mind while you're away. One of our favorite features to integrate into smart homes is motorized shading. Now, it's all automated, so when you're ready to go to bed, you press one button, shades go down. When you wake up, you can even set it to a time, shades go up, and it makes your life so much easier. And it's actually a feature that not a lot of people think about, but it's really, really great, and homeowners love it. Now, if you want to see more showcases where we have homes with motorized shades on every single window, you gotta check those out in the link in the description below. One of the features we hear from customers all the time in smart homes that they absolutely love is having whole home audio to be able to play your music in every single room of your home. Now imagine you're in this house and you're cooking. You can listen to your music with these JBL in-ceiling speakers above. Maybe you head over to the dining table, the living room. You can still listen to music as we have the speakers spread out all throughout the house. Now, as you bring the food outside to either go grill or eat at the dining table out here, we have more in-ceiling speakers, so the music continues and the party continues out here. And we even have these grills custom painted to match the wood grain. So everything about this looks beautiful, and it sounds really good with high performance audio with speakers that you barely even know are there. Okay, as you transition from this porch covered area into this wide open environment with the pool out back here, we've included some really cool Sonance outdoor system landscape speakers, and we've actually hidden them throughout the bushes here. You can barely see them. There's also 2 subwoofers in the ground that you can't even see, but this allows the party to continue out into the pool area with some really high quality, phenomenal sound. You can control it all from your phone while sitting in the hot tub or sitting on the edge of the pool, or even from inside in your room. All right, as we step upstairs, you're welcomed into this incredible home theater media room. Now, we've installed thousands of theaters across the nation, and a lot of them are really high performance and some of them are more media room styles. Now, what I love about this one is it's a home theater that has super high performance speakers and everything else, but it also has incredible interior design. Now, like you can see, we have different couches and seats and a bar in the back throughout this entire home theater. So it's a little bit different looking than your standard home theater that's super high performance. But let me talk about some of the really cool features here. We have a 150-inch Stewart film screen that's acoustically transparent, that has JBL synthesis speakers behind the screen, so it seems like the characters' voices are coming right from the screen, right from their mouths, which is super cool. Now, if you want to learn more about JBL synthesis and all the speakers, we have a ton of showcases and videos on them that I'll link in the description below, so you can check them out. Now, plus, we also have 2 JL audio subwoofers that are actually hidden in these cabinets down here, so you don't even see them, but they provide a ton of bass for this entire room. Now, displaying onto this giant 150-inch screen is an Epson LS12000 projector to provide a beautiful, super bright and colorful and vibrant image. Now, as you follow me back here, you can also see we have surround speakers that are also JBL synthesis speakers in the back here, so you get that full surround sound effect, and Dolby Atmos speakers that are also JBL synthesis up above, so you get that full 360 enveloping sound when you're watching a movie. Now, one of the things about light in a home theater is that it doesn't mesh very well because the light will leak on the screen, especially with projectors, so your image won't be as bright. But we've also included these huge drapes here that you can close. And in addition to blacking out the room for an entire really good home theater experience, they also help the acoustics in the room to sound even better. Now, to wrap up this entire home theater and media room experience and fit in with the rest of the smart home experience, we have this Control4 remote that controls all the lighting, everything to do with your movies and projector right from this simple, easy to use remote. And it's so easy that any friend that comes over or kid in the house can learn how to use it, and it just makes this theater so much more simple and convenient to use. All right, now we've made our way outside over into the detached garage area, which you can see the customers really into cars. They have a lot of high performance and racing cars, so it's really of utmost importance to have a really good top of the line security system, which is exactly what we've done here. Now, we have 4K cameras throughout the property, inside and out, conveniently and strategically located to cover every single area of the property. Now, to have a system like this and have 4K audio and video of all these different locations, you have to also have a really robust home network. Now, you have Wi-Fi all the way out here and over by the pool with access points with super fast speeds and really convenient and secure access. One of the biggest things that people love is the doorbell cameras. So we also have a doorbell cam so you can see when your kids get home or see that the package was delivered safe and secure. Now, security and home network is one of the most important things when it comes to a smart home, to make sure everything is integrated and working together. So if you want to learn more about that, you've got to check out our videos linked in the description below, where you can learn more about home networking and security for your smart home. So as you can see, a smart home is about so much more than a collection of gadgets. It's about how everything works together to offer a space that really enhances your lifestyle. It gives you a peace of mind, adds security and comfort to your life. Now, whether you're building a home or renovating or just looking for some options, you can go to Audio Advice's smart home page at audioadvice.com that I'll link below. And we have videos on every single thing that you need to have in your smart home and break it all down by section. Now, when choosing a smart home integrator, you want to be sure to go with someone with a proven track record. And here at Audio Advice, we've installed thousands of different smart home systems all across the nation, so you can be confident that we know what we're doing. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our other showcases of home theaters or homes or any product reviews. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.